How to find your wallet address on Binance of any cryptocurrency. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can find your wallet address on Binance on any cryptocurrencies. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you don't know what a wallet address is, it is simply like your bank account number. If someone have your wallet address, you will be able to deposit crypto into your account no matter where you are. They will simply be able to send cryptocurrencies into your account, whether it be Bitcoin's wallet address or Ethereum's or any of the wallet address which you have. Once you hand them over to someone, just like you use a bank account number to receive and send money, your crypto wallet address is the same. So if you actually have a scanned QR code of your crypto wallet address, or simply the address or the URL, anyone will be able to send crypto into that address. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now the very first thing I will do is I will go ahead and simply open the Binance app on my phone. So go ahead and simply open the Binance app. Once you open the Binance app, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. You have a bunch of different options to choose from, and if you want to find a wallet address, first of all you would need to simply verify your account, and after you verify your account you can come back to this video, or else I'm also simply going to show you where you can find it after or before you have verified your account. So first of all, in my case, you will simply tap on this deposit button which you see. As you can see, just like other crypto apps, this Binance application does not have a place that just like which says receive in order to get your wallet address. You need to verify account and so on. And over here you want to switch to the option which says crypto. So right over here you'll be able to see a bunch of cryptocurrencies. Right over here you have ADD, you have Litecoin, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have BNB, and so many more options to choose from over here. What you could do is you could simply tap on any of the wallet address, any of the cryptocurrencies of which all wallet address you might want to view. So let me select BNB just for the example of this video, and you have to actually make sure to verify your identity, because if you don't verify your identity you will not be able to find a deposit address. But after you verify the identity, you'll simply be able to see them in this page. As in my case, you can say deposit address temporarily unavailable because my account is also not yet verified. But if you verified it, you will simply see a QR code as well as a link, so which you can copy or screenshot or take a screenshot of and send to anywhere. Let's say you want to transfer from Coinbase to your Binance app, then you can copy the wallet address of this app, and then you can go ahead and paste that wallet address and then simply send crypto to this account. And this is how you can find your wallet address on Binance. You could go ahead and do this for any other cryptocurrencies which you might want to view. It works for all of the devices. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.